Here you go.
Hi, I'm Naruto, and we have a friend named Greenie, and we all know Sasuke. Yeah, and our special guest today, I'm Emo. It's Barbie. Yay! Yay, Barbie! Hooray! Yay, Barbie! Hi, everyone. Hey, y'all. I'm gonna strip. Oh, that's gross. I'm Barbie. I'll be Barbie. Don't worry, I'll be Barbie. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. What's up? My face showed up.
No, you didn't.
Hey, y'all. Hey, Barbie's in the house. I am the lead show here now. Yeah.
Pick them up.
Yeah. Woo. I rock. See?
She's gonna strip now.
Before she could strip, why I gotta push you off the bridge, Barbie? Die! Your face kind of shrunk. Why I gotta? Die! Barbie, die! Oh my God!
Drop her off.
Don't show her! Don't show her! Oh! Ew! She is so not hot.
Stop.
She is so not hot. Okay.
Oh no, she's dead.
Gosh.
Yay!
Yay!
I'm
Hooray! Join us next week for Let's Go Barbie. We're going join us next week for the singing of I'm an Ugly Girl. Wow!
Yeah.
Woohoo! Yeah, Barbie! Woo!
Yeah.
Woohoo!
And dead.
I'm ugly.
Let's watch
Wow! I'm hot. Ew, that's so close. Look at what our bouncy ball looked like now. It died. Now look at our best bouncy